Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to cook a New York strip steak with gravy, mushroom and onions. I'm going to cook some jasmine rice and steamed broccoli. And I hope everyone is doing great. Alright guys, let's get into the video. And guys, this steak will be seasoned very well after I add all of the seasonings and onions and everything else that's going to go in here. Also guys, I made this video during the storm and I never got to upload it. So here it is. Alright guys, so I had to turn my steak down. I was just gonna grill the steak, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna put it in some gravy. So I gotta cut up my onion and wash my mushrooms. Alright, so I'm gonna wash my mushrooms. Then I'm gonna cut my onion. So I hope you guys are being safe in the storm. I hope you're having a good day. We're getting a lot of rain here, but not too much wind. So wherever you're at, I hope you're being safe. And I wasn't going to pick up the camera, but I said, well, I'm going to make me something to eat, so I'm just going to pick up the camera and hang out with everybody for a minute. Well, for a little while. Alright, so those are my onions. I'm gonna steam that broccoli.
Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere is home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise.
back, make a slurry, add it to this, and let it simmer. So I guess that'll be smothered New York strip. Alright, but anyway, that's what I'm doing. So let me turn the heat back up. And we're going to let this cook, guys.
Since we've been gone, I wanna feel.
So the rice is finished. So I'm gonna use some of this in my gravy. I used some of this in that beef stew I made some weeks ago, and it's really good. By Kinder, so I'm going to add a little bit of that. Alright, so now I'm going to add my broccoli. It's already washed. I'll come back and season it.
Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight.
Come to a boil. Then I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. It all depends on how tender you want your steak. But I got to add some more water to it. You can see it's already beginning to thicken. And I'll check it again to see if I need a little more seasonings. Alright guys, so I'll let you see how that looks in about 45 minutes. I'm going to cover it too. It's coming along really good. So I'm just going to let it cook. Guys, I put this tin plate on it, well, old pie plate. So I'm just going to leave that on there and let it simmer. And I'll come back, let you see. The broccoli and the rice is finished. Alright guys, so here is the New York strip and the gravy. That steak is very tender, guys. I'm going to flip it over, let you see it. So this is what I've been cooking. Came out really good, guys. As you can see, it's tender. So I'm gonna cut that off, let it cool, and I'll come back and make a plate. All right.
And have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world far from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast.